Here doing a review on Vintage Muscle products. I've been taking a couple other oral products during this summer for trying to attempt my first lean bulk. Um, it's kind you take sublingually, and you want to follow it up with PCT because these products are slightly suppressive on your hormonal levels, and so you follow it with PCT. And Vintage Muscle has their own PCT products. You basically run the PCT as long as you run the suppressive products. 8 weeks with one product, you run the PCT for 8 weeks, but you start PCT on week 5, and so you basically, if you run it for 8 weeks, and then you'd run PCT from 5 weeks until 12, and this completes a 12-week cycle. Your cycles should definitely include a PCT period. Um, but this is the product I was using. Beginning of the year, I started a big diet, and I was trying to do a body transformation. My goal is to complete it by the end of the year and just start off next year and keep going. I've had a pretty good transformation so far, and I finally broke a cycle I was stuck in for the last couple of years. And basically lose weight, lose strength, lose muscle, gain weight, gain fat, gain muscle back. And my strength levels didn't change much. I mean, once I gained my weight back, I was basically back at the same strength, and then vice versa. When I lost the weight, I'd lose some strength, and I just couldn't separate the two. I was finally able to break that cycle this year. During the lean bulk, these are a couple of products I've used. This is Equimass and one Androl. Um, Good, nice products for doing a lean bulk. And again, I've put on about 20 pounds from 174 to 193, 194 ish in the last 2 months. I have put on a minimal amount of fat, maybe gained like a percent of body fat. Waistline is still where I was at like 174, and my waist is smaller than it's been almost since high school. I'm 44 years old now, and currently at 194. My strength levels are higher than I've ever had them. I'm not super strong or anything, but I am very happy with the progress I have made this year and finally reaching new PRs and pushing myself and seeing I can set new goals finally. And so, with these couple products, Equimass is one of their bulk products. Mimics sort of a little bit of Equian, like Boldodone. It's got a little testosterone base in there. And I mean, when taking this product, I have felt the difference in strength and my energy levels and my recovery rate and being able to push my limits every week. I have been able to push more and do more volume, which I'm trying to do progressive overload, so that's important. My diet is insane. For me, you always had to be cautious what I eat. Right now, I'm eating like 4,400 calories a day, and I mean, I am barely gaining weight, which is incredible. But during a lean bulk, my goal was to gain about 2 pounds a week, if that, give or take. And I've been right between 2 and 3 pounds a week. And because I was trying to keep the fat loss down, like I said. And one Androl is also just, basically like one one Anderstein, and um, another one to help gain and like lean muscle gain. And I can feel a difference in like muscle hardness. It definitely adds a hardness together, and between them also, like Equimass is known for vascularity. I've definitely added a nice look on the veins showing. I didn't have those before, and so definitely support these products. I've seen a really good transformation. It's positive. I do randomly do different blood work, make sure I'm staying healthy and keep stuff in check. And so, I haven't really had any side effects. Maybe a little bit pickup in acne or oily skin. But other than that, like, I mean, my transformation this year has been truly amazing. I've had great support from friends, family, and themselves can't believe the transformations I've went through this year compared through the other years in my life. And so these products have definitely made a difference overall. Like I said, I was able to I went dropped a lot of weight down, and on my way back up, I kept the fat gain minimal. Strength levels have been very nice. I am stronger at this weight than I've ever been at any weight in my life, by a good 25-30%, so that's a really nice gain. I set a goal. I wanted to break like in 1,000 pound club. I got to reset the goal. I'm gonna now be pushing for the 1,200 pound club, and which is sort of cool for me. I'm almost pushing 300 on my bench now. I prior to this, I was at like 245 for I could do for one, and I could do it for twice for two if I had a spotter. And now, I mean, I'm repping 245, so that's a really nice improvement. Squats, I've improved almost on my workout range. I've added almost 80 pounds, so again, that's a pretty nice improvement for just over 2 months, and that's being safe about it, just progressively going up every week. And my deadlifts, I've went up about 100 and yeah, I'd say give about 100 pounds, 80 to 100 pounds, pushing what I was working out with 245, and now I'm repping 345. And so again, not super heavyweight or strong like that. I'm trying to do it safe. I'm not trying to jump way up there and push my strength levels and get injured or have, anything like that. That'd be my fault. So, again, just wanted to do a shout out for this product. I've had some tremendous results, and I'm gonna include a couple pictures of my before, where I ended up after my diet, and currently where I'm at this bulk. I'll follow it up with PCT, and I'm going to set a new goal during it to clean up, burn off a little fat, and I want to see if I can be heavier than what I was before my weight loss, and be a little less than what I am now. But I also want to see if I can get into single digit body fat, and that will be very interesting. I've never did that. I mean, I never thought I'd get past 15%, lower than 15%, and I got down to right around 12 after my diet, and right now I'm currently right around 13. So, I mean, 3% doesn't seem that bad compared to where I started off at the beginning of the year.